If you're someone who works harder, but for some reason feels stuck in life, this video is for you. Growing up, we're told to work harder than our peers, and a lot of us have grown with this mindset that hard work equals success. But that isn't the case at all, because if hard work alone guarantees success, then most people in society will be successful. The problem isn't hard work, the problem is mindset. Successful people do not work harder, they just think differently. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is King Kai, and without wasting any more time, let's jump straight back into the video. Have you ever wondered why some people work so hard but never get promoted? Well, this is the reason why. Hard work alone is useless if it's not focused on the right goals. Let me break this down for you. Let's say you work 12 hours a day in your job, answering calls, emails, and sitting down on every meeting. If none of these bring you closer to your goals, you're just busy, not productive. This is referred to as misdirected effort. Working hard on the wrong task or without a clear strategy frequently leads to failure regardless of the effort invested. Let's say your goal is to build muscle, but all you do is run. Even though you're working so hard, but you're not getting the result that you want. This is a clear example of someone that works harder, not smarter. Unfortunately, this is how most of us have been programmed to think. We've been taught from an early age that we need to work hard in order to be successful. But is that really the truth? Instead of focusing on hard work, I think you should focus on this instead. Clarity over effort. Clarity is knowing what actually moves you forward instead of just working hard in random directions. So let's look at this from a financial standpoint. Two people work for the same company and they work 10 hours a day. One spends all the money they earn, whilst the other person uses their income to build skills and invest their money in things that's going to make their money grow. Even though both are working equally hard, one is moving forward and the other is staying in the same place. This brings me to my next point. Most people believe that hard work is what gets them seen, whereas people with a strong mindset believe that it's about building meaningful connection that open doors and create opportunities to move forward. For example, someone can work hard every single day, but if no one knows who they are, their efforts can go unnoticed. Instead of just working hard, you should focus on building meaningful connection with the right people. This is another example of why successful people work smarter. They focus on building meaningful connection as opposed to just working hard. So my final point is this. People with successful mindset reinvent themselves once they realize something isn't working out. Let me give you a personal example. After finishing university, I wanted to get into market research. I kid you not, I went for 50 interviews and did not land one job. I quickly realized I need to change my strategy here. I then got myself into customer relation within the banking world and worked extremely hard for the next 4 years. Even though I was doing okay in the banking world, I wanted more. But I knew that by making more, it would require me to upskill, and I did not want to go to university. So I decided to pursue the same experience but in a different industry, and in no time I was earning 3 times my previous salary. To conclude this video, I'd like to remind you that others are not working harder than you, they just think differently. Because hard work without the right mindset always fall short. If there's one thing I need you to take away from this video, it would be this. Change your mindset and your hard work will start to work for you. If you've enjoyed this video today, I would like to thank you, and please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe and check my other videos. Peace.